Pierwszą prezentacja będzie po angielsku, so I will switch to English. We have a special guest, Christel Godzik.
Hi, you.
You can come here. Yeah, thank you for the invitation. It's a really great idea. We can host Christel here, Double Lab. And Christel is a researcher and an artist based in Paris. And she will present the French Videotext. So the first presentation will be devoted to this platform, to this tool. And I know that there will be an introduction, and then we will make some kind of like a practice. So I'll give you a microphone. Gus, you want to?
No nie mam wiele do powiedzenia. Najpierw oczywiście Christel wystąpi, potem Gienek, ty chciałeś, tak? Dobrze, potem Gienek, potem zajmiemy się Szymonem Jupiterejsem, potem będzie przemawiał Bartek, tam jest na końcu, potem Robert i wtedy zakończymy wieczór. Że przeplatane to będzie oczywiście przerwami, żebyśmy sobie mogli odpocząć i napić się herbaty, kawy, także tyle. Proszę. A, ty masz mikrofon.
Ktokolwiek chciałby cokolwiek powiedzieć, prośba o wzięcie mikrofonu.
Please prepare the questions in English.
Dzień dobry. I speak English, but not really well, and you, I don't know. I hope we can understand each other. I think it will be okay. So I will present you French Videotext, because Videotext, it was very popular in France about 30 years. 30 years, okay. And Videotext, it's a norm. Do you know Videotext or not? No? A norm for telecommunications to send the data more easier. An international norm, and now it's really obsolete. Yeah, because of internet. Donc French Videotext, a postmodern utopia. But some people, if I want to read this sentence, if you are confused about what Videotext is, you're not alone. Much of time, the cause of this confusion lies in fact that different people have different ideas about what the service is, because it's a norm and to a service. Just a history to understand what is this Videotext. The origins of Videotext date back to the 70s, a period marked by significant innovation in information and communication technologies and France. The main idea behind Videotext was to create a system that allowed users to access information stored in remote database using traditional telephones and lines. The term Videotext is a contraction of Videotext, emphasizing the goal of transmitting text and visual informations via primarily used to the television via a connected terminal like this, Minitel. Before Videotext, there was only teletext, which was primarily used for television broadcasting and had a wider reach but was less interactive. So it's a terminal, and Videotext is an interface. Okay? Videotext takes off in the 80s. So this is a Minitel. Connected to the phone and connected to a network, okay? And this is a Videotext interface in the early 80s, okay? It was very popular in France because it was free. Overview of a global Videotext system. You have a lot of Videotext in the world, but very more popular, very more successful is the French Videotext. The French Videotext launched in '82, but before you have some experiences yeah, in France. The French videotext system was most successful globally. It was widely adopted due to the government strategy, free, of distributing terminals for free by the post, okay, the PTT, and for free and offering a variety of services accessible through a simple interface. We name this Minitel 2.0. Do you know that? And videotext in the world. Yeah, you have a lot of videotext like this. Christel in England, in Germany, but in Poland, I don't know. No. You didn't have a videotext. Captain and View Data in USA. But the more archaic is French videotext because primitive pixels and yeah.
And just a comment, it has nothing to do with teletext. So the text that was added to the stream of the TV stream on regular television, but it's still used in some areas of the world, even in Poland, I think. Has nothing to do. It's similar name, but has nothing to do.
So video text is more interactive. As more interactive, the user can interact to the interface and other users. And teletext is not.
It's bi-directional instead of just receiving a stream from outside world.
Yes. In Canadian, more realistic pictures, and in the French, videotext is very archaic, very abstract pictures. Okay, do you understand? So, okay. So. In the last of 70s, the president of France, Valéry Giscard d'Estaing, I don't know if you know this guy, and was very interested about telephones and to modernize France about technology because France was very in late, so with him we have a Minitel. Yeah. Alors, Valéry Giscard d'Estaing, this guy, aimed to modernize France by promoting informatization across the country. He played a significant role in expanding telephone access and conceived the idea of integrating telecommunication and computing through the development of telematics, which led to the creation of the Minitel and its underlying standard videotext. Voilà. When I was younger, I have some Minitels, and everybody have Minitels anyway. Donc, videotext protocols in the world. In France, the protocol videotext was Antiope, voilà, the most popular videotext. And in North America, Naples. In Canada, Telidon, the international standard. Okay.
Out of curiosity, how popular it was in Germany? Because I asked some Germans, they never heard about it. And Minitel was in every hotel, any public place in France, even in still 2005 I was there.
Because it's more primitive computers, and in Germany more expensive, and the telecommunications were not very free, and so like other president in France, it's François Mitterrand. Yeah. Alors, this pictures is made by a French videotext with grid blocks. Yes, about 6. And this picture displayed often in Minitel. Donc, François Mitterrand, President of France for 1981 to 1995. Yes. Donc, it's the picture in semi-graphics in France, and this it's other videotext in USA, more realistic, yeah, but not very interesting for me. I prefer this one because more primitive. So voilà, without creative, but yes. I go on. So now we can see the Minitel 5. Technical aspects of Minitel, transmission speeds and hardware. So the hardware is this. The Minitel 5, it's a rare Minitel because usually we have a Minitel like a cathodic TV. Mm-hmm. Do you know that? And this, it's a portable Minitel for the course. Yeah, for the course. And connect to the phone in the course before. So not not a lot of person we have this.
Did you buy it?
Yes, I have bought, but it's very rare and very fragile, no? So it's difficult to find this.
Can you open and show it in the
Yes, it's like a microcomputer, but it's not, it's a terminal. So, wait, it's not...
yeah, it's not connected.
It's not a backlight, okay? Donc, it functions just when the day is on, okay? And... yes, Minitel 5.
How much do you spend for this?
We have today it's more than 100 euro. Yeah, 100 maybe 105. But before the terminal were free, so. It's a little expensive. So, transmission speeds. It's is connected to a serial port. Okay, Minitel. This Minitel terminals typically operated at transmission speeds ranging from 1200 baud for early models, Minitel 1, and this one is 4800 baud with the Minitel 5. Voilà. More advanced portable version. Donc, you have a serial port to connect this, but it's very difficult to connect this. To enter images and data were displayed at the appropriate speed. The Minitel 5 required a properly adapted 5-volt serial port. This port was crucial for maintaining the necessary data flow and ensuring compatibility with various devices. Now, yes, and this Minitel, it's very good because you can choose different modes like S-key. You have S-key or Videotext. Alors, to pass on Videotext, you have some commands. Yes, donc I function. Yes. Now, I have to connect. I have to do a test with this. So, Minitel 5 connect if you. Okay. I hope. Okay, so you will see some kind of aleator other symbols. Yes, and to finish a signal like connected with modem before. Okay. Minute. Okay, but it starts. But it's not very light, but it's like this. And after, yeah, it's not a beep. I am not beep. Beep. It's okay. You can change the light, but it works just when the day is on.
Ja bym się odsunął, żebyście mogli.
Yes, okay. Attends, on voit pas bien. Voilà. Voilà.
C'était?
Oui. Ah. Okay. For this. Tiens, là, on voit mieux. Il faut, we must be near to the terminal to see different symbols. Donc it's good. Okay, so as voilà, okay. So Minitel was very very popular because it was accessible and popular and free. Donc during 30 years. Free distribution of Minitel terminals, widespread adoption and social implication, impact of the information society and everyday life. Donc this picture is a picture for TV series today. C'est 3615 code Monique. Ça c'est old picture. And picture with PTT telecommunication. An archive picture. And so. The Minitel, the most popular Minitel is like this. Like a phone with a monitor. Yeah. But this is not popular. Okay. Now, after we will try to do a contributive experience, but for that, I want to explain you a semi-graphics interface. Okay. Donc, user interface and semi-graphic image creation. Videotext is divided with text alphanumeric and semi-graphics to create images. Okay? Semi-graphic mode on French video text is like that. There are some block of 6 and a pixel mosaic with contiguous blocks. Yes. Using blocks of 6 pixels. These blocks could be combined to create up to 64 different shapes, each with one of 8 available colors. Yes. But not this one. Not yeah. By mixing shapes and colors, the system could produce around 2,000 distinct combinations. Screen layout. Each screen page of a Minitel terminal was organized into a grid of 40 columns by 23 or 24 rows, because you have a number and to connect. So it's about maybe 23 or 24. I explain that more later because it's a little difficult. Yeah. Okay for that? So we try to build an image together, video text image with a grid about 23 rows and 40 columns. Collaborative semi-graphic creation activity. In our upcoming experience, we will collectively build an image in the style of cadavresque. Do you know cadavresque? Exquisite corpse. This process involves multiple participants interacted on the same grid, this one, each contributing to the final image using separate computers. Donc, participants will be able to work simultaneously on different parts of the grid, creating a shared digital artwork. This collaborative creation emphasizes the connectivity of the grid while maintaining the individuality of each contribution. So, to participate, each user will open a page with a local IP address. I give you the IP address, allowing them to connect to the shared network. For today, and for soon, I hope, once the image is completed, it can be transmitted to the Minitel terminal for display and subsequently printed for preservation, because Minitel had the printers, okay? And I have two. This practice bridges digital and physical worlds, linking the structured semigraphic grid with tangible artistic outcomes. We will try. Okay. Some people have laptop. No. Alors, just a
question: this printer were available in color or only black and white?
Only black and white.
Okay. Out of curiosity.
So it's a print thermic.
Yeah. Thermal transfer. Yeah.
Well, okay. So, moment. One. I don't remember really.
It's I.
Yes, config. Thank you. If config. Donc, we need the IP. It's this, okay. And after, you can add to I don't know. Alors, this. The init is. Oh, ça marche pas. 192.168. Je sais pas comment on dit. We must to add two dots. I don't know, 2 dots and 81. Okay, we can add
80 or 81.
80. So, okay. We'll try this. 192. Sinon, c'est local. Ah, ok. J'ai oublié un truc. I forgot just one thing. Go. Voilà. Just a moment. This is not very easy to do that. Ah. Ah, okay. No, so now, now it's because it's connected by this, and so again, it will. C'est bon. It's always like this.
Yeah, I think it will be the same address for sure.
Yeah, and now go run.
But you are not in Transbar version. There's no such folder.
Yes. Ah, voilà. Just a moment. It's not in Swapactis.
No, there is no such file folder on this user here.
I don't know. No, maybe. No, it's
LS, if it's here.
normalement c'est des transpact.
There is no transpact. It's Minitel transpact.
No, Minitel c'est for that.
Yeah, okay.
And CD transpact is as
There
well.
is no such folder here.
CD transpact, yeah. No, c'est CD transpact.
Transpact, but there is nothing starting with T here. There is only templates. The only folder.
No, c'est transpact, c'est yeah. Well, normal ones, yeah.
No, because in your home folder there is no such folder.
Transpact, it's
Yeah, and it says no such folder. So the question is, if was it on this user or
no, c'est
subfolder, for example, Minitel or whatever.
no, c'est des transpact, yeah. I don't know why.
It's just not here. I can confirm. A Minitel user doesn't have this.
But usually I use that and it's good.
Oh, but you should go here. You can see the whole folder.
It's good.
Yes, Minitel transpact. There was transpact.
Non, c'est CD transpact.
But after the Minitel, it was, I could see. Let's just go to Minitel folder and just see.
No, usually this morning it works like this. Yes.
Tab. You can tab and it will show you if there is
Yeah.
Now transpact.
Ah, okay.
Then tab. You can fill up the rest of the name. Yeah, and here.
Oh, you are very good. Ouais.
This is the same 119. Yeah.
Okay.
119. And now you are starting the.
Okay, c'est bon. Started on 1880. Okay.
Yes.
Ah. Ah. Okay, good. Ouais.
Voilà. Ça marche.
Well, yes, we can do this. Ah, okay. Donc now we can build.
Annuler the
We can build. We can draw a picture in Videotext, French Videotext. You can use this block for backgrounds and this blocks for foreground. So you can choose the background, and after I can go on this draw, and all person we have a IP address can contribute for this drawing. And foreground, you take that, and you can change the model. Yeah. If you want to connect, you can. And so background color, and I choose this color. With Videotext, we used to be patient, and it's more great for that. Yes. So to build a draw, yes. So it's a. Okay. Huh? Okay, good.
Working fine.
Yes. Wow. So for now, just an experience, and we develop this for send to the Minitel, okay, and to save the image and to. Wow. It is this.
Nice.
No.
Nice.
Nice. Okay. I'm going to finish the presentation. Okay. Yes, very good. Take a photo, but yeah, wow.
It's inverse video, that's why it looks all the colors.
À Paris. Donc ça va. It's so I return on the presentation. I come back to the presentation. Okay. Okay. Interaction. So 5 minutes and it's finished. And An author, Paul yeah. Oh wow! I take picture of yeah. The goal is to contribute of the draw. Yes, very good. Donc French video text like this. There's Paul Virilio said is an author about yeah. Do you know this? We live in a world where real time takes precedence over the real time of things. He wants to know that we are not very connected in the real time. So this presentation, this draw, it's to re-enchanting utopia. It's in a postmodern context where self-isolation and individualism are rampant. It is possible to create a new form of enchantment through real poetic practice like this. These disconnected networks involves reimagining utopia not as a distant dream but as tangible experience made possible through deliberate and artistic engagement with technology like Videotext. And yeah.
Was it possible to interact like this, similar way, of course, using the Minitel, just terminal?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, using it and connect to server. Yes. Is a postmodern utopia possible? So, what do you think? In a postmodern context, where yes, well, I didn't say that. Okay. Donc, thanks to and on this Minitel, you can see the artist Fred Forest. We use Videotext. Yeah. Voilà. Thanks. Dziękuję.
So start drawing something, guys. Questions?
It's all. Like graphics.
It's clear.
What services for available at the time?
A lot of service to all. Reserve a ticket, reserve to watch success on examine. Lots of things to buy, some clothes, all the services to watch meteo. Donc, weather, to watch weather, to watch a lot of things, to connect with magazines.
There were also paid services.
Some services were paid and some free.
Yeah, and it's very interesting. Do you know Play operator in Poland?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's being owned now currently by Iliad. And Iliad was created by the same guy who created Free.fr, and he's a person that earned his first money by making a porn service for Minitel.
Yeah.
For Minitel.
It's the best idea. I think it's a pity that it's probably not preserved anyway, because it could be very interesting. What was interesting in this service, because I have no idea, I just read about it, that people were really eager to pay for this kind of semi-graphic stuff.
You paid with telecommunication, like phones. It's the same thing. It's the same bill.
It's added to your bill at the end of the month.
Yes, like a line, like a phone line. Yes. If you stay a long time on use Minitel, it was very expensive, but just 2 minutes, just nothing. But all people used to buy something.
There were shops, online shops.
A lot of things. Yes.
But when the network was shut down, do you know?
In 2012, 10 years ago.
So around 2007, I was in France and I was traveling there. And in every hotel, there was a Minitel. Nobody was using it, but it was in every public place. There was at least one terminal standing somewhere.
Ah, okay. Donc, I use the Minitel and I am connected to the radios, for example, and for things. But my parents said it's a little expensive, but it's like this. It was cool to connect with an index like 3615. 3615 is a number to connect the Minitel to a modem to a network, Transpac network. And You have information on the page.
Was there just one telephone number on which you had, or there were multiple leading to different services? Was it a single server? How did it say?
Different services, Transiscans, Dinosaur, Transiscans Radio, Transiscans Fun Radio, different Redoute, different addresses. You have an index, like in French is 3615, 3614, 3618, 3618, 36, and after a name to connect to the services. And you can chat aussi, you can chat too with Minitel. The services is 3618, 36 and 8, yeah. And after you can chat with other persons. And so what's very good for that. Yes.
Yeah, but in 3 words, could you describe how do you use Minitel? What is the idea? You turn on the device, and then you have to dial a number, or there is immediately you choose some kind of service, because I have no idea how it looks like in reality, how it did look like at the time. How if you wanted to interact and start doing something, I don't know, check the weather.
Check the weather.
So you open Minitel, then you connect to some number, or
yes, you. To connect to the modem, you can put a connection, and you can see a repertory because you have some numbers and and when it works, you have a signal to connect to the phones. Yes, and after you tape. Franciscans, and the phone rings, and after the display works well.
Okay.
Yes.
You know how the servers look like? We have photographs of the
See, yes. But I don't know. The service looks like yes. The service like this, but it's USA services, but some kind of things. Yes, but more archaic symbols. Yes, and after you can tape.
The question was, do you have some photos of the equipment that was in the central installed? How the servers of the main systems did look like? Some photos
yes, but
of the equipment in the the central equipment.
The services, but not for the moment. For the next step.
Okay,
maybe.
But there are some stuff like this for sure in there.
Yes, we can.
Because we are immediately interested in hacking, looking at it, how we're trying to set it up our own and so on.
But yes, services, SNCF in France to reserve no.
SNCF, Polish way, Polish name.
Okay.
So the public.
To buy your ticket, yes.
Next time, please bring a server,
Yeah. Wow.
All the creative works, are there any like artists, groups, communities, are there any archives online we can connect for example, to see some creative works?
Yeah, maybe we'll see some artists like Orlan used to Minitel and Videotext. The magazine, the name was Access, and you can see some pic about Orlan pic, yes. And you can enter the Franciscans code Access, and you have some digital pictures from artists like Orland and Frédéric Develay. Voilà.
Do they have websites, for example? Or?
So it's terrible because before we don't have a save sauvegarde. Comment dire? We can't have to save the data. We can't. Donc sauvegarde, yes. So a lot of things were obsolete today. So because we don't have a diskette, just a terminal. Donc so yeah, we have to find it and to.
It's a typical transient stuff.
And
only available at the
yes, Royal Scott, Fred Forrest.
So how do you how about with the archives? Are there any archives?
See, I'm looking for some archives. Yes. as you can see some archives on the archive Fred Forest archives since a few times in the internet.
So are there any like gatherings with people involved with this?
Yeah, before there are some exhibitions in the Beaubourg, okay, Pompidou, and the name was Immaterials in 1985, and the other exhibition Electra and the Art Moderne in Paris with Lyotard, Jean-François Lyotard, voilà.
I know that.
Okay. Yes. But today, other artists, yeah.
So the most archives would be now available as a video footage taken with camera from the terminal, in fact, yep?
Yes.
That's the biggest drawback of this from archive point of view, archival point of view, because I don't suppose any servers with the contents are still available and easy to be recovered.
So
another question?
dziękuję.
No, thank you.
I can disconnect.
This is the first presentation, and we hope that in October there will be another one. So
If you could repeat, please, to the
So to share experiences.
first Christel's presentation here at the Lab. We hope that in October there will be another one. So maybe if you are interested, please join us in October.
To go on the share experience and to print the picture on the Minitel printer. If you want to join us. And about the topic, specifically topic.
Are you going to bring the printer?
I have, yes. Yeah, yes. Yes, it's possible, yes.
Can we organize
to bring by plane.
Can we organize a workshop for drawing on Minitel? Some kind of workshop?
Yes, yes.
Is it a good idea?
Yes.
For 1 hour?
Okay. Yeah, I disconnected that. Okay, thank you.